Cute cat with big round eyes. Soft fur like clouds. Every gentle gesture of it makes the viewer's heart.
Ow, 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 ow.
The cat asked for food, but when the owner lightly hit it, his face immediately grimaced as if saying, "I just want some food. Why do you treat me like that?" Two cute cats clinging to each other with sparkling eyes and soft fur. Each movement exudes indescribable sweetness.
You look so handsome, Caesar. How do you like it? Oh, no.
Looking at the mischievous cat makes me feel both funny and pitiful. Has your child ever pulled out a toy and made trouble by himself, destroying everything? Cats are always full of energy, right? Do you have any? The cat wears a homemade hat like a creative fashion designer, his face full of pride as if saying, "This style is only mine."
The funniest moment is still ahead. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it.
The cat clung to the bag that was about to fall like a savior hero, eyes wide with determination, not letting this bag fall even once. The white cat sat in the corner. His eyes were sad, teary as if he was crying. His pitiful face made everyone want to run and hug him tightly to soothe his sadness. This cat is probably practicing for the International Stair Scratching Tournament. Each scratch is a step closer to the championship. Seeing a cat being loved by its owner is so heartwarming. The sight of a baby cat lying in its owner's lap, being caressed and cared for, is truly a wonderful image of love. Does your cat like—
You ate a bee this morning. How do you feel? Thank you.
Who wouldn't melt when cats are this adorable? And the way they look at you with those big round eyes, it's really irresistible. What adorable expressions does your baby have? Make you laugh? There must be some super cute moment.
Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
Looking at the cat wearing a shell like a hat makes me want to laugh. Haha. So creative, right? Cats always know how to turn everything into an interesting game. Has your baby ever transformed into fashionista like that? Let's share some funny moments of cats. Looking at the cats loving each other is so sweet. The scene of cats cuddling and rubbing their heads together is truly a beautiful image of friendship and love. Have your cats ever shown this kind of affection? Is this? Or does each baby have their own love style? Looking at the cat relaxing, it's truly a true slow life. The cat is stretching, eyes half closed, probably enjoying the most peaceful moments. Have you ever seen a cat relax like that? Like this, and feel like you want to do the same? Does your cat ever relax in any special way? The cat clung to its owner like a shadow, never taking a step away, looking as if it were saying, "Where is the owner? Where should I go?" Silly cat, just doing all sorts of funny things as if the world were his own playground, always with a bewildered but extremely adorable expression. The cat yawns as if preparing for a month-long sleep, but in reality, it only takes 5 minutes to wake up to action again.
Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
The cat is as disruptive as a small storm, destroying everything within reach, but acting innocent as if nothing happened.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to give me more motivation to create more adorable content. Which moment made you laugh the most? Comment below so we can laugh together again. And make sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss the next hilarious cat videos.